Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's write some more Leetcode today. Today we are solving special array 1. The problem states that an array is considered special if every pair of its adjacent elements contains two numbers with different parity. And we are given an array of integer nums, and we return true if it's a special array, otherwise then we return false. So it doesn't tell you what parity means here, but parity just means odd or even. So odd is one parity and even is another parity. So every number between each other should have a different parity. So if the number here is odd, then the right and the left of it should be even. If it's even, then the right or left should be odd, unless there's no number on the left or right. So how can we solve this problem? So one way we can solve this problem is to just loop through the array, and while we are looping through, we want to look at the right of it. If the right of it has the same parity, then we just return false. As long as we see one instance of that, then we can return false. And how can we check? Well, we can divide by 2 and find the remainder. If the remainder is 0, then the number is even. If the remainder is 1, then the number is odd. So if we look at this example, we look at this, the remainder is 0, the remainder is 1, so we keep going. And we look at 3 and 1, the remainder are both 1, so both are odd, then we can return false. Now if we look at this example, so this is odd, this is even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. So every element has a different parity to the right of it, so we can return true for this example. The time complexity would be O of n, where n is the number of elements in the array, because we will have to loop through the entire array once. And the space complexity would be O of 1, because we are not using any extra space. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we're gonna set the for loop, so for I in range the length of nums minus 1, because we don't need to check for the last element since there's nothing to the right of it. And we need to check if nums of I divide by 2, find the remainder, and find the remainder of nums of I plus 1 divide by 2. Divide by 2, or yeah. And if they are equal, then we return false, else we can return true. Let's see if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down in the comments. And I hope to see you all again soon.